In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create date tables in Power BI. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable date table that makes time-based analysis smooth and accurate. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer and loading one of your existing reports. With your report open, switch to Data View by clicking the table icon on the left sidebar. This view lets you work directly with your model's tables and create new ones. Next, we'll create the date table. On the ribbon, click New Table. You'll see a formula bar appear at the top. Paste this formula exactly as it's written. Date table, it's AD columns, calendar auto, year, date, month, no, month, date, month name, format, date, quarter, Q, and format, date, Q, year, month, format, date, IM. Here's what this does. Calendar Auto scans your model and automatically builds a continuous range of dates that covers the minimum to maximum dates it finds in your data. That means you get every single day in that span, which is essential for accurate time intelligence. ADD columns then enriches that base calendar with helpful fields: year, month number, the full month name, quarter as Q1 through Q4, and a year-month label that's perfect for clean chronological reporting. This combination gives you everything you need for filtering, grouping, and building visuals that understand time properly. After you press enter, your new table will appear in the Fields pane. There's one crucial step left, telling Power BI that this is your official date table. In the Fields pane, right-click the new date table, choose Mark as date table, then in the prompt, select the date column created by Calendar Auto, click OK to confirm. This step is important because it enables Power BI's time intelligence functions to work correctly and ensures your visuals treat the date table as the authoritative source of dates. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. If your data model changes later and includes earlier or later dates, you can refresh to extend the calendar automatically. Also, the columns added here are intentionally simple and widely useful, keeping your model clean and easy to understand. You can always tailor the display names in your visuals to match your preferred style. That's it. Your date table is ready, marked, and optimized for analysis. Thanks for watching.